In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore recently deleted Instagram posts on Android and iOS. First, you want to go to Instagram, log into the account that you want to restore your recently deleted post from. The next thing is click the profile picture in the bottom right. You're then on your profile, click the three lines in the top right to open up this menu. Go to Settings at the bottom. Now click on Account, which is pretty much in the center of your screen. Then scroll down. Once you're in Account, go to Recently Deleted. And you can see all your recently deleted posts over here. This includes everything. Reels, IGTV, videos, stories. I know, stories not probably, but pictures as well. As you can see, this is the one I want to restore because I recently deleted this. Click on that. Now click the three lines in the top right. Hit restore. You can also permanently delete it this way. Click restore. They ask me if I want to restore. Hit yes. It's now being updated. No more posts have been recently deleted. Go back, go to your profile, and when I reload, there we can see the picture has been restored. That's how to restore recently deleted Instagram posts on Android and iOS. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Fearless.